I got the hairy one. And then this other one. This one's cute. It's like holographic, but you can't really tell on the screen. A lot of people have been doing charms on their phones, which I thought would be really cool to do. So I went to Michael's and I just wanted the kids section because they didn't have any cool ones in the other section. So I got these kinds. They have like all this like categories of like, I like these. I just wish they had more. There's like cactuses and stuff. I really just wanted the little flowers and these. And I also got like a pack of these other ones. I know I have like more vintage like chains and stuff. For the other string, I got this string. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold it. I was thinking of like the elastic string, but I was like, what if it just rips, you know? And this one's like likely not to rip. So I just went with this, and the way that they were all packaged is just like super colorful and like big, so I can categorize each little one. I had one before. It was very small, but I donated it. So I thought maybe get my own one, a little bit bigger one. So yeah, create these on here. I should play some music. Oh my gosh. I really like these little charms. I was like, I wish they had them separately. They're just like this, and they had a yellow one and a green one. So I thought maybe I can put it into my phone. So yeah, I got all these cute colors, and they look cute. These are like my least favorite ones, like the llama ones. I don't really like, these are not my favorite ones.
Al sentir en los labios el frío de otros labios que no verán. Es María quien pena en las calles y debajo de un faro.
Alrighty, so I kind of put everything in order, like all color coordinated sort of, and I brought in some of the ones I had that are like from who knows how long ago, probably like since elementary. So yeah, it has a lot of kind of like vintage. These are the ones I just recently bought, so I just dumped them in there. But yeah, I have like really cool ones, like just like little doggy. I got some moon ones. But yeah, I kind of organized them to make them like at least accessible instead of me going through all of them. I made this little cute charm that would go into the phone case, which obviously you can't see because my phone is recording it, but I thought it was really cute. I'm planning to make more for my friends. And I also wanted to say I got the Lisa Frank Morphe palette. I am not a makeup artist. I hardly use makeup, especially during quarantine. I haven't worn makeup like at all, or in general. So it's super cute. It has a little, it's kind of like a little folder, and it has all these pretty palettes, these color palettes, and a little heart mirror. And she got these at the Swap Meet, and I think they're so cute. A little buttercup. And then mom got me this other one, which is little bubbles. She looking so cute. I don't know what this one does. Betty Boo thing. She's like a little painting palette. These Coca-Cola shorts from Target. Highly recommend. They're super soft and comfy. And I think I'm gonna buy another pair of these. I think they only have in red, and like a Rugrats one or something. So yeah, I want to get the purple ones because they're really cute. But I just don't like it because it says Rugrats on them. Shrink. It's so cool. Like, I wish I could have bought more different colors. They had this one, blue, and I have no clue what other color they had. But I just keep my like my plastic bags for when I ship out stickers. I just have like stuff, and then I have my little certificate authenticity. Well, these are how they look. I also got new packaging for the little pins. They're so adorable. So they look a little like this, very, and they have my information. Am I a crack or something? Or, oh. They look super cute. They're gonna be in like their little baggie. And then I'll just put a little tape. Alrighty, so I usually pack these into orders with like my business cards and stuff. So yeah, these are all ready. These are your bags. I usually wrap them in some. I have such a mess. Like, fuck. I need a bigger desk. Even though this was not enough. Okay. So. I bought a lot of these off of Amazon like a while ago when I started doing pins, and they've been so helpful. They're just perfect sizing for these, and yeah, so